We are looking at how to prevent sagging breasts or how to bring back your breasts to stand again. Trust me, sagging breasts are caused by different things. For example, giving birth, that is one. Two, excessive losing of water from your body. It means if you're a lady, start drinking a lot of water. Lastly, my dear, losing weight. If you lose excessive weight rapidly, my dear, you will cause sagging breasts. But today, I decided to come and tell you two different ways or two different methods which can help you to bring back your breasts to stand again. So you just need to complete this video from the beginning up the end. And please, if this is your first time to watch a video from Coach Uganda on this YouTube channel Coach Uganda, why not subscribe? Invite your friends to my YouTube channel Coach Uganda, and of course we can be friends on TikTok Coach Uganda, Facebook Coach Uganda, and you too, if you're on Facebook, please go to YouTube, look for Coach Uganda, because on YouTube I upload videos every day. The same thing on TikTok, link is in my TikTok bio. Go to YouTube, look for Coach Uganda, because on YouTube I told you subscribing is for free and I upload videos every day. Okay, so I'm going to show you two different methods how to bring back your breasts to stand again and to look younger. The first method is aloe vera gel farming rub. It means we need aloe vera gel. If you can get aloe vera from your garden, is the best one. But if you can buy aloe vera from your nearby markets, please buy organic aloe vera. Just be 100% organic, no alcohol added. But remember, aloe vera contains natural skin tightening and moisturizing properties. That's why we need aloe vera, and trust me, it will help you to bring back your sagging breasts to stand again. So we need 2 tablespoons of aloe vera. Yes, I'm going just to show you, but for you, when you're making it at home, please get 2 tablespoons. Okay, get 2 tablespoons of aloe vera. I told you, you can use aloe vera from your garden, or you can use aloe vera from the supermarkets. But from the supermarkets, it's supposed to be organic. Okay, so our first method is aloe vera gel farming rub. I told you aloe vera, get 2 tablespoons. Me, I have got 1 spoon because I'm just showing you. I am a man, but for you, you have to get 2 tablespoons. After getting your 2 tablespoons of aloe vera, like this one, I want you to massage. I want you to massage your breasts upward in circular motion for 10 to 15 minutes using aloe vera gel. Massage your breasts for 10 to 15 minutes using aloe vera. From that, leave that recipe to stand on your breasts. Okay, to stand on your breasts for 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, it means you massage your breasts upward in circular motion for 10 to 15 minutes. From that, leave that recipe to stand on your breasts for 15 to 20 minutes. After 15 to 20 minutes, please use warm water to clean your breasts. You can repeat the procedure 3 to 4 times in the week. You can do it on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and Saturday, so long as you do 3 to 4 times in the week. Remember, I give you a trick. Please, if you want to bring back your breasts to stand again, even though you're applying this recipe on them, please make sure that you do some workouts. For example, push-ups. They help you to bring back your breasts to stand again. And of course, try to wear supportive bra. Also helps to bring back your breasts to stand again. So take a lot of water, wear a supportive bra, and please do some workouts. They'll help you to bring back your breasts to stand again. Remember, this is our first method. This is aloe vera gel firming rub. You just do it at home, very easy to get and very easy to make at home. So why not get yourself aloe vera gel for firming breasts or for your breasts to stand again. This is our first method.